XTZ, we start with 1 hour chart. If we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned we can expect the price to give us one more drop with the breakout of or retest this low. Any reversal, we can look for buy, and this is what we get. And even if we refer to our analysis, when the price was within this move, we mentioned if we want to look for trade, we have to wait for the breakout of this with the flag, and exactly this is the only way we can look for this trade. Okay, within this one, based on 1 hour chart, we didn't have any trade setup unless anyone trade based on lower time frame. Okay, and even when the price was within this move, we mentioned we're looking for buy. Any buy if we get, even we point where the target is at. All right. Anyway, this is what we get, but the price couldn't take the target, and I mean the target, which the first one is 5.91, and right now it start to correct. Okay, the first things we do, who will get the trade from here? If either they take out the trade or if they can start to manage. And right now we're looking at this. We want to see whether we can get another trade setup for buy or not. Okay. Anyway, we move to daily chart and we have been looking for this correction. We want to see whether we can get the continuation or not, or the price can consolidate here for longer time. In this case, we move to forward chart. As we mentioned, we have been looking for this, and this is what we get. Okay, the only thing is, based on forward chart, if we refer to the indicators, we see we have a divergence. This is the first things we need to bear in mind, because even if, again, if we refer back to our analysis, we have been keep pointing on this bigger correction, because we want to see whether the price can break this top and continue or not. That's why any trade from now, we need to be quite careful. Okay, and if I move to 1 hour chart right now, we're looking at this. Any trade setup from now, we can take the trade as well, but we consider as a short-term trade as long as the price haven't broke the previous top, which is 5.85. All right. Anyway, right now we're looking at this. We're looking at the trade for buy. Any trade setup for buy, as I mentioned, we take the trade. In this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.